Hey there. If you're in the plastic manufacturing industry, you know how crucial barite is. It enhances durability, stability, and performance. But here's the thing. Getting the perfect barite powder isn't easy. That's where our advanced barite pulverizing equipment comes in. It's designed for precision, efficiency, and consistency. No more uneven particles. No more wasted material. Just high-quality barite powder, ready to elevate your plastic products. Our equipment is built to last, with cutting-edge technology that reduces energy consumption. That means lower costs for you. Plus, it's easy to operate and maintain. Whether you're a small workshop or a large-scale factory, this is the solution you've been waiting for. Want stronger, smoother, and more reliable plastic products? Start with the right barite powder. Upgrade your production line today. Let's make better plastics together. Check out the link below to learn more. Don't settle for less. Optimize your process now.